Hello everyone, my name is Bahadur Modi and I am an English and SS teacher in Sahajanand English Medium School at Natya Yuna. And today I am going to take a social science chapter number 8 National Resources part 3, part 4. Right. So very important lesson according to our exams and listen very carefully. Use your hands free when you are listen this lecture. So in the previous videos we already talked about what type of soil and all that, what is the natural resources, what is the definition of natural resources. So in this part we will going to teach about soil erosion, right? Very important. So I hope you all are fit and fine, and I also hope that you all already watched our previous video, and still if you didn't watch that video, so please go to in our gallery and watch it again, right? Watch it, so you much better to get the all point regarding to this chapter. So without any further ado, I want to start this chapter from over here, soil erosion. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of soil erosion, that we have to know. I will going to read every line by line, and I will explain you every words on my way, right? So listen, and I will do every underline which is important. So now I am going to read. Erosion means the transportations of land particles from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. Please make bracket this one. Underline this one. Erosion means the transportation of land particles from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. How the soil transportation one place to another place? So soil get the help from air and water, with the moving air and moving water, right? So here the definition, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion means that transportation of land particles. Land, that means soil particles which is move one place to other place, and he moved through the moving air and water. Moving air and water, if the water flow one place to other place, so he just water also carry with many lands particles, soil particles, right? So that's why that is called soil erosion. Erosion happened. So here is the definition of soil erosion. Please underline this one. In other words, the faster transportation of the particles of the surface land to the other place to by nature forces. That means nature forces happen. That here the picture of the soil erosion. You can see the picture. There is a much land totally eroded, and move is soil particles in land particle to other place with the with the water flow, with the water force. It takes many years to form the upper layer. See, the upper layer which is formed combined with the many particles of soil, and it's take many years to form. It take many years to get the proper position, current position. It took many years for current position. So from the upper layer, if the soil particles are carried away because of heavy rain or by the strong wind, see, please now underline again. If the soil particles are carried away, how the soil particles are carried away? So here your answer: the soil particles carried away because of heavy rain or by stormy wind. The agriculture production decrease, right? So these are your answer. Please, how the soil particles are carried by the heavy rain or by storm wind. These are your answer. And agriculture product will be decreased. Why the agriculture product decrease? Because of the land particles, very fertilized particle carried by heavy rains and stormy wind, right? Moving water, so that why soil erosion happen, and agriculture productivity decrease. It is the extremely necessary to maintain this upper level for agriculture. Definitely, it has to be farmer maintain his agriculture upper level part For its fertility, if the main fertility of land depend on its upper layer part, if the upper layer part would not fertility, so definitely farmer didn't get anything, and he will not get anything. Clear? So the soil erosion should be prevented. Why the soil erosion should be prevented? Because soil erosion is very dangerous to fertilities, and he also it's also carried the fertility parts, soil parts, particles which is available in a soil, very fertile particles, and if the fertile particle is not there in the soil, so definitely agriculture productivity will be decreased. So very important to prevent the soil erosion. Here is the picture. You can see how happen with the one kind of soil that move his particles from one place to other place. Now, measure to prevent soil erosion. How we can stop? How we can prevent? How we can control the soil erosion? Here is your answer. How we can control the soil erosion? Right. See, here some suggestion given that very useful to us. Control the grazing activity on the land. First, control the grazing. Grazing, that means the animals who grazing on particular land, so that should be controlled. That must be controlled. Second is a plantation should be carried out in contour method in slopy region. So plantation should be there, should be carried out for the slopy region, slopy region, slopy kind of region areas. Plant tree in hollow land, also plant in the hollow land, right? And those land were which is flow type land, so that if the plantation there, so erosion will be stopped, right? Will be prevent through the plant. Plant is a very important in a natural wise, in a pollution wise, environment, any point of view regarding to save environment. Plant is more important. Construct check dam where the stream. See, has to be constructed the dam, check dam. There is a stream flow very fast. So if the constructed dam, so maybe that flow stopped it and the erosion will be prevented. Cultivate very deeply in the field to reduce the speed of the water. So cultivate very deeply. If the farmer should know about it, here every year the flow of water very fast, right? The flow of water very fast. So cultivate it. They plant the seeds. They cultivate the seeds very deeply inside the soil, so that cannot be carried with the carry with the wave, carry with the water and air. So much better to this. So here like a check dam, you can see like this way, if the check dam there, so here is the example, check dams over here picture you can see. So water can be stopped it and flow it, stopped it, the speed will be decreased. So much better to over here, right? So you have to memorize the measure of prevent the soil erosion, control the grazing, plantation should be in the slopy region, plantation in the hollow land, construction check dam, and cultivate very deeply. These are the points for the measure prevent soil erosion. Now next is the soil conservation. Conservation, what is required the conservation? Here is your answer. Soil conservation means to prevent the soil erosion and to maintain its quality. Please underline this one. Yes, underline full. Soil conservation means to prevent the soil erosion and maintain the quality. So what is the soil conservation? The prevent, stop it the soil erosion and maintain the qualities. Quality is particles there will be constant there. That land particles, the soil particle will be no erosive, will not carry through wave or water. So should be quantity there, maintain that. That is called soil conservation. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain the soil particles at their original place. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain the soil particles. Retain, that will maintain the soil particles, that they directly connected that the soil conservation. Soil conservation means that they retain the soil particles, maintain the soil particle at their original place. They no move the other place, they maintain the original place, they not move other to here place. Clear? Original place. Different remedies are used at different place in the world according to its location and problem. So the remedy, that means upay, usko jo plan use, how to the remedies. So in the different places, different remedies are there. They use different trick to how to reduce the soil erosion and all that. So the soil is not conserved, right? So then there are chances of the flood which enhance its risk against lives and property. The soil conservation is very much necessary. Soil conservation is really very much necessary, because if the soil erosion continuously happens, so the particular land will not fertilize anymore. So soil conservation very important. Here the graph you can see, a diagram you can see that the surface run of water. So run of water, the arrow is there, flow faster over the slope, and water harvesting in the terrace slopes. Most of the water is stored therein. So if the terrace slope, like a slippery, like a step over here. So large amount of water it's stored. See here the large amount of water will be stored. Water having faster flow and percolate less in soil. See here the very percolates the every soil that particular place in this picture you can see. Water accumulate on the terraces and percolate slowly and raise the groundwater level. So this method is much convenient. So here is the, if the this water accumulate method we apply that, so that also conserve the water, groundwater also increase. This very important. These are the some kind of method of the soil conservation. The 4 kind of method of the soil conservation you can see in the picture. Now remedies of soil conservation. What are the remedies of soil conservation? Very important. How can we stop? How can we prevent? How can we cure that soil conservation? Here is your answer. The root of the trees in the forest cover hold up in the soil particles. The roots of the trees in forest cover hold up the soil particles. Obviously, the tree roots just cover and hold it the soil particles. Hold it, that means it grip the soil particles. The soil particle can't move from its original place, right? So tree is the most important part to remedies of the soil conservation. Tree is more important. Second is a plant tree. More and more plant tree in rivers, gorges, and on the mountain slope. Here a picture you can see the slope area. Here arrow is over there. So if the plant tree more and more, so obviously they force of water bear it, and the soil particles will be hold it by the tree roots. A series of trees should be grown near a desert region to prevent the winds with more velocity. It will stop the advancing the desert. Obviously, advancing the desert will be stopped through the trees, that we know very well, right? Desert will not move from its original place. If we have to stop the desert to go forward, so we have to cultivate we have to plant the trees. We have to plantation through in the near the desert area. Otherwise desert will be flow ahead and ahead. The river floods should be controlled by diverting their flow in other rivers or in the dry river beds. So the river flood, that means the river flood should be the control. The particular river flood very flowing. If we know that this in our region, the one kind of rivers are flow is very fast. So if we divert it into other rivers, so they that automatically they convert into the very slow flow. So it's much better to for save the soil conservation. The unrestricted pasturing loosen the soil layer on the mountain. It should be prevented. That means unrestricted area, there is a pasturing, grazing there. Animals unlegally grazing, very pasturing there. So that will be losing the soil layer. So that particular mountain, they should be prevented. This over here. So here is a terrace farm kind of terrace farm, the original cultivation. Here the original cultivation, how there's 2 picture about the terrace farm. You can see the terrace farm, see like a terrace, and horizontal cultivation. How the horizontal cultivation you can see in the picture, so you can understand better. Now, method like horizontal cultivation and terrace farm, it should be implemented. So this method should be implemented for a conservation of soil erosion. Humus content should be added to the soil which has lost its fertility. The humus should be contained in there. We should be adding the humus in the particular land, particular soil that maintain its fertility. By implementing these remedies, soil can be conserved. The conservation of soil is strong necessity today. Government, society, and the people should work together for its conservation. See, here is we can see that through the conservation method, we can save our soil, and if the soil is very cultivated, fertilized, so agricultural product will be increased. So soil conservation most important, and these are the remedies for a soil conservation, right? So now this chapter is finished. I hope you got every point in this all parts. So I give my best to explain you through the online. Right. So here is an exercise. What is the meant by the resource and describe its uses. So this you all exercise you will write in your fair book. Here and this all answer already available in a textbook. Right. So you can find the answer from textbook and write in the fair book. Right. And every point you should be clear out and write in your fair book. Right, so what is meant by resource and describe its uses, what is meant by soil conservation, state the remedies of soil conservation. Here just we talked about this soil, what is soil conservation, state the remedies of soil conservation, and what is meant by resource in the first page, describe the uses, there are also uses available. So first answer here in the first page, you can see your answer here is what is the resource in the definition I already underlined you, that you will write. Right, and use of resource as a food, as a source of raw material, as a energy, this all points you will write in the first question. Second question is what is soil erosion? I will go into that. What is soil conservation? So soil conservation is over here. Right, soil conservation this, and what are the remedies of soil conservation? This is your answer. All points you will write in your books. Right. Answer the following question in directed. Describe the process of soil formation and state on which basis these are classified. Soil formation, go to the soil formation point and you will get the answer. Write not alluvial soil and black soil. Directly all the point you will write from the textbook or only use the textbook. Answer the following question in brief. State the remedies to prevent the soil erosion. Here is the detailed answer. Soil remedy the soil erosion. Right, prevent the soil erosion. This is your answer. You answer from here. Soil erosion to the every point like this. All point you will write. Clear? Soil erosion तक. उसके बाद है what is called as a mountain soil. Right. So from the mountain soil, here is the 8 type of soil. Here is the mountain soil. This paragraph you will write mountain soil. Now. Write the short note about the desert soil. Here your answer very short chapter this one. Here is your desert soil. This paragraph, all paragraph you will write. Right. First you give the soil definition, then write the short notes. Right. So all the long question, short question, and these are your short form answers. Right. Resource available at a 1 or 2 place in the world. So what is 1 or 2 place available? Only 1 or 2 place. Here is your answer. If you already taught about the chapter, right? So what type of the here say the rare resource, those available in limited place, the easily more minerals, useful gases, right? Rare resources which are available in limited place. Here in only 1 or 2 places. The solitary resources which are available in 1 or 2 places. Here your answer, which is you find out, you got it where it is available. Solitary resources which are available in 1 or 2 places. D. Soil formation takes place due to the elements of particles. Soil formation takes place due to the transformation and strategy sequence of non-plunging, weathering and erosion. Right, vertical and head condition, which is the other name of Padkhau soil. Right. So these all the shortcuts you will get the answer from your textbook. Right. So all the clear exercise by yourself, and write in your Facebook. Clear? I hope you got every point right. So I hope you got every point, and do best yourself. Stay home, stay safe, and write every question answer in your Facebook. This chapter now finished, and next chapter according to our timetable we will upload. So please stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Have a nice day.